Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping quickly. Wipe the lens and confirm battery and storage so nothing interrupts a shoot. Once done, open camera and enable grid to align horizons and rule of thirds. Make sure your format suits the job. Use Pro RAW for heavy edits or high efficiency for more shots. Tap the subject to focus, then drag the sun icon to adjust exposure. This gives control over brightness without changing composition. Now take a few test frames to confirm. You'll refine control in the middle of the shoot by locking what matters. Press and hold to engage AE/AF lock so focus and exposure stay steady while you recompose. Once locked, drag the exposure slider to protect highlights or lift shadows. This prevents blown whites or murky blacks. For cleaner subject separation, use portrait or the telelens when available, and switch to live photo if motion is expected. It captures a short clip and lets you pick the best frame afterward. You complete the workflow by reviewing and culling shots. Keep only the strongest frames and use Photos Edit to crop, adjust light and color, and straighten. These small changes often make the biggest difference. Once happy, export in the right format and back up to iCloud or a drive to avoid accidental loss. If images are dark or soft, try night mode or stabilize the phone on a surface or tripod. This reduces blur and dramatically improves sharpness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.